Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hair video. So I washed my hair and today we're gonna be trying the Revlon, I think it's a styling brush. So it's supposed to like blow dry your hair while you brush it. So I wanted to test it out. I've seen people use it and it worked for them, but I haven't watched anyone do it with curly hair. And I kind of wanted to be surprised when I tried it. So that's what we're gonna be trying out today. So let's get right into it. I finally got it out of the box and this is what it looks like. There's a little button back here that you just kind of switch and it has cool, low, and high. And that's the only buttons and then you just kind of like go for it. So it's a blow dryer, but then it has a brush on it. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm a little nervous, so let's get started. I finished this little strand. It didn't take that long and I'm actually impressed because it's not, I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, but it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. So this is what my hair was like, and this is what it got to, like super quick. So this is gonna take me like, I feel like it'll be much faster than when I straighten it with a flat iron because I'm like brushing my hair. But I'm gonna keep going with the rest of my head. I'm actually very impressed. Look at my ends, they look so healthy and nice. I'm gonna give myself my own Dominican blowout. So we'll see how this turns out. So this is what it looks like so far. It's insane. My hair is super soft and it's fluffy. So it looks way different than when you straighten it, obviously, because my hair looks like fluffy and like bouncy. And like my ends, I'm obsessed with the way my ends look. They're like just curling a little bit, and it wasn't that hard to straighten the top right here. So when I'm done, I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like at the top. It wasn't that difficult for me, but it really took out the curls. And obviously, since if you're watching this, you have curly hair. If you have curly hair, it's gonna take a few tries because we don't have pin straight hair like the people trying it. But it does, if you keep going, it gets rid of the curls, it straightens it nicely, and it's so quick. Literally, guys, I'm not even joking. You just keep going. And I'm like, oh my God, this is so easy. And my hair is actually straightening nice. Like I'm actually getting a blowout. So, yeah. I realize that your hair sent me. I think you're true, something special. Just what I dreamed I really made up. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Okay guys, so I'm done. My hair came out really good. It's so soft, and what I like is fluffy. Like it looks a little bigger. It's not as flat when I like straighten it with a flat iron, obviously, but it's amazing. It feels super like fluffy. Like that's the only way I can describe it, and it doesn't look like empajonado. Puffy! It doesn't look puffy. It didn't take that long, guys. Like honestly, it just went 1, 2, 3, and it's like straight, and you just kind of like touch it up from there. So I really recommend Revlon. You guys did amazing with this. I actually saw Monica Style Muse. I think that's her YouTube, but Monica Muse, she is a Dominican YouTuber as well, and she used this on her Instagram, and I was like, oh my God, like I want to try that. So I had to try it, and I'm so happy I did. If you guys end up trying it, let me know in the comments how it works for you, because I'm actually curious. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.